Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export Figma to Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find these two options. One of is for creating a new folder and the other is for creating a new site. Here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your sites on Wix. So right now, I'm going to go to the site I want to edit. Hover your mouse over the site and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load. And this is how it will look like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. So go all the way down to the bottom and click on Edit Site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this page right here, which is going to be the editor page for your Wix website. So once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will be much helpful for you to edit or customize your site. So right now, in order to embed or add a code to your site, click on Add Element. And then here, as you can see guys, you can add the add a text, image, button, strip, and all of these elements. And if you want to add a code, click on Embed Code. And once you do that, click on Popular Embeds. And then here you're going to find Custom Element. You can embed HTML, embed site, or custom element. So click on Embed HTML, click on Add to Site. And then here, as you can see guys in this window, you're going to find what do you want to add, website address or code. Go ahead and choose code. And then go to this box right here and paste the code for Figma right here. Click on apply and then your code will be applied. Once you finish, click on save and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.